Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you around Mapusa. It's quite a popular place in Goa, but it's not covered by many, and you won't find many videos on YouTube on Mapusa because Goa is mostly around beaches and offbeat places. And Mapusa is particularly famous for its market, and it has a special place in my heart because as kids, me and my cousins used to come here a lot to buy fruits, vegetables. And back in the day, Goa used to be we used to always come to Goa via buses, and the buses used to halt in Mapusa. So a lot of memories in Mapusa. You can see people selling your fruits. These are mangoes, which you intend to buy now. You'll also find many small shops, many bakeries selling patties, chicken sandwiches. The fruits here are really fresh and not like how you get it in Mumbai. This is a famous place in Mapusa. It's been here, the statue is here since I was a kid. You can also shop here for bags and clothes as well. There are many small shops selling clothes. There's plenty of parking for bikes, but cars you'll find difficulty, especially in the evenings. The parking is always full. Yeah, now we're going to Xavier's restaurant. This is quite a popular restaurant here. Many items like chicken biryani, butter chicken are quite famous here. You also get good patties, chicken patties sandwiches here, and croquettes as well. We've got our snacks and we've also got mocktails because the weather is quite hot in Goa during the summers. So I'll end the vlog now, and I hope you liked it. If you did, the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.